Prolink. This is a compact device that keeps your computer, phone, or tablet connected to the internet at all times. The device with a battery, so you don't need to worry about power supply. To find the SIM card slot, remove the cover. The SIM card slot is located under the battery. Slide up to unlock the SIM card slot. If you are using a Nano SIM or micro SIM, you will need a tray to convert it into a SIM card. Insert SIM, close the lock, slide down to lock. Next, turn on the device. The device has two buttons. The power button is on the right. Press and hold the power button until the power LED comes on. Wait a few seconds for the device to initialize. Wait until the data and Wi-Fi LEDs are on. At that point, the device is ready to share internet with other devices such as computers or phones. For example, I'm using a computer to connect to it. The default wireless network name, you should change it. The default password is Prolink12345. The wireless password is printed on the device. This password is the same on devices of the same model. Default IP address, 192.168.1.1. Username, admin. Password. The default login password is password. I will guide you on how to change the default wireless network. To change the default wireless network, go to the item named Wi-Fi. Change the default wireless network name in the box named SSID. Change the wireless network password in the box named Pre-Shared Key. Don't forget to apply the changes. Micro USB to USB Type-A cable. The device not only shares internet via Wi-Fi, but also via USB cable. For computers without wireless connectivity, use a USB cable to connect. Your computer will show an internet connection just like when you connect an Ethernet cable. You use this method for desktop computers without wireless connectivity or requiring a stable wired connection. Some routers support internet connection via USB port. For example, ASUS, OpenWRT, GL-iNet. With those routers, you connect the Prolink to the router via USB port. This method is similar to sharing internet from your phone to the router via USB port. With a router, you can share with more devices. This is a rather interesting combination. The device also has another mode called Internet Wi-Fi. With this mode, you don't need a SIM card. It acts like a wireless range extender. The device connects to the main router, then shares internet to devices after it. It works like an extender, but with a battery. A compact device with many uses. With the Prolink app, you can monitor traffic, speed, battery status, or change wireless networks. Download, upload, data usage. Thank you for watching. Good luck. And this is the reset button used in case you forget your password.